Good morning, my dear students of grade 6. How are you? I hope you will be alright. Here I am teacher Mrs. Navla for your English grammar book. Today we are going to deal with the topics of proofreading and pronouns on page number 99 and page number 100. First of all, we will do an exercise on page number 99. You will proofread each sentence, means you will find the mistakes. Rewrite the sentence, correcting errors in pronoun use and punctuation. On page number 99, you have got 6 sentences. In every sentence, there will be some mistakes about verbs, pronouns, and punctuation. Everyone know, I'm going to read the number 1 question. Everyone know that I like to watch movies. Now, everyone is a singular indefinite pronoun. So, in that case, there should be an S at the end of the verb if the sentence is from present indefinite tense. Now your answer will be, everyone knows that I like to watch movies. Everyone knows that I like to watch movies. Number 2. Whom doesn't love the excitement of watching action on the big screen? Now this word whom is not used as a subject. It is always used as an object. So you will replace this whom with who. Then your answer will be alright. Please write it down on your book. Who doesn't love the excitement of watching action on the big screen? Who doesn't love the excitement of watching action on the big screen? Number 3. I like comedies and adventure films that are my favorites. Now here are a couple of mistakes. You can see there is a semicolon. It doesn't suit here. And also there is no punctuation mark at the end. I like comedies and adventures which are my favorites. You will finish a sentence with a full stop, and also you will use a correct pronoun which. That is actually a relative pronoun which. I like comedies and adventures which are my favorites. I will repeat the answer for question number 3. I like comedies and adventures which are my favorites. Comedies means funny movies and adventure means action movies. Number 4. I do not enjoy scary or sad films because both gives me bad dreams. The word both, my dear students, is a plural indefinite pronoun, so there should not be any s along with the verb in that case. Your answer will be, I do not enjoy scary or sad films because both give me bad dreams. Because both give me bad dreams. And number 5. Here we are at the Grand Theatre. That is my favorite place to watch a movie. Your answer will be, here we are at the Grand Theatre. That is our favorite place to watch a movie. Since the subject pronoun is we, so there should be a very good possessive adjective, our, not my. That is a mistake here. Okay. And the last one on page 99. This is the theatre which I go to when I have saved up enough money for a ticket. Now this is, as you know, this is a demonstrative pronoun. We use it for plural objects, for plural items, for plural things. So this, there should be are, not is. Okay, there are theaters. Since theater is only one, so you will say this is the theater. That is a mistake. Okay, either you will say these are the theaters where I go. Okay, or you will say this is the theater. So better use only this. This is a demonstrative pronoun which we studied in our last lesson. This is the theater where I go, not which. Okay, another mistake. This is a theater where I go to when I have saved up enough money for a ticket. Now we are going to page number 100. You will read each sentence on the line, write the pronoun in parentheses that correctly completes the sentence. In every sentence, you will have two pronouns. One will be wrong, the other is correct. You will choose the correct one and write it on the line. There is no need to circle the correct pronoun. Just write it on the small line given at the end of each question. Number 1. Dawson is the boy who is standing beside Mac. Our answer is who. Who is the answer for number 1? Number 2, which of the two colors do you like best? If you have options for a lot of items or things, so pronoun which is used. Okay, which of the two colors do you like best? Your answer for number 2 is which. Number 3, these are my favorite muffins. These are my favorite muffins. Answer is these. Number 4, both are staying after school to help with the parade. Both are staying after school to help with the parade. Our answer for number 4 is both. Number 5, the flowers that I picked this morning are already wilted. The flowers that I picked this morning are already wilted. So our answer for number 5 is that, T-H-E-T. Number 6, that is the funniest thing I have ever seen. That is the funniest thing I have ever seen. Our answer for number 6 is that. Number 7, Miss Messina is the only teacher whose office is upstairs. Miss Messina is the only teacher whose office is upstairs. Whose is the correct answer for number 7? Write the word whose on the line. Number 8, who left the mess in the kitchen? Who left the mess in the kitchen? The correct relative pronoun will be here who, W-H-O. Number 9, tomorrow, which is Thursday. Tomorrow, which is Thursday, is the best day for me to practice. Our answer is which here for number 9. Tomorrow, which is Thursday, is the best day for me to practice. Number 10, whose skates were left on the sidewalk? Whose skates were left on the sidewalk? Our answer for number 10 is whose. Number 11, this is Isha's first day at school. This is Isha's first day at school. Our answer for number 11 is this. And the last one on page number 100, anyone is welcome to join us for dinner. Anyone is welcome to join us for dinner. Our answer for number 12 is anyone. Please write it down on the small line. My dear students, so far we have done our 2 exercises on page number 99 and page number 100. I hope you will have written all the answers correctly. You will revise these exercises at least twice. That's your homework. If you want to ask any question, if there is any inquiry or query, you can mention in the comments section of the exercise, or you can contact me via WhatsApp. Thank you very much, my dear students, for attending the online class. See you next time with a new lesson. Stay home, stay safe.